I have finally reached like at the foothills of this mountain of temple Dongargarh or whatever we call. I reached just now and it's almost 5 p.m. This is all due to what we say late train. And yeah, let's see. I do not look that much tall, as I have already climbed few mountains. Not mountains, I will say, but hills in Nepal. So let's try this one for the first time. So the train what I had come was about 1.5 hour late, and the next train I will take is at 7 p.m. So in this within 2 hours I have to climb, and I have to reach the temple first, and then I have to climb up. It's about 1000 steps, and then while returning I will use the cable car, and then I will have to return back at the station. So I have to do this all activity within 2 hours. So let's see. Back, I was injured a bit. Like my calf was paining from last 2 days, and I have already started to step up on this mountain. I will show you. So I have to go there. So I have to reach there, right? Okay. It's smelling very bad. Like very bad. So I think this is the entry point. Finally I have found it. So let's begin the journey. I was thinking like I had already begun it, but no, right? It is starting from here. But yet I am not able to find those steps about what I have heard from my rest of the friends. Here we have to start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. Time is exact 16:59. So the target would be to take the steps non-stop. So from 2 days I have not done the fitness. So this is going to be a good fitness time. Can you see this amazing view? I will not stop here. I will stop only after reaching out there. Now I have started feeling tired and tired. And I think I have to go there. And believe me, I'm exhausted. I have not stopped so far, but yes, I have decreased my speed. And a person was saying that yet you have walked just 40 to 50%. You can see me. I am fully exhausted, and yet it's like there. I need to cover this all distance. So there are 1000 steps, and this means I have yet not completed 50%. okay. Very soon we will complete it. We are at 4:51 and that's the view. I think this is the place to rest. I was thinking like aa to gaya main, but when I saw the steps it is like तुमने भी हाफ डिस्टेंस भी कवर नहीं किया है. No problem, we will cover it. 600 to come. जानते हो मुझको उस मूवी की याद आ रही है, चेन्नई एक्सप्रेस, मीनामा. And this is me. What now? Oh, 60% covered. You know, these are like blessings. You can give a normal walk and it is like taking rest here. Oh, this is difficult. ये ट्रिप ऑलमोस्ट मेरे सारे बैच वालों ने फर्स्ट ईयर में किया था. इनफैक्ट जो बच्चे अभी फर्स्ट ईयर में आए हैं उनमें से भी काफ़ी लोगों ने यहाँ पे विज़िट कर रखा है. दिस इज़ माई फाइनल ईयर एंड आई एम हियर टू गिव माई बेस्ट अ सोलो ट्रिप आफ्टर 5 years. या लास्ट वन वाज एट कोलकाता एंड दिस वन हियर. And there is no information about the steps here, but let's keep going. You are almost there. This is been like the give up point. Can you see this view? I just want to stop here and admire this beautiful view. Like, yes, for this I have arrived here. For this. Here I think I need to put off my shoes and walk above. But I can see upper. Okay, so I need not to put off my shoes here. That uncle was saying you can put it and can put it off above. Yeah, that's the common Hindu practice what we follow at most of the temples. Oh mighty, there's darkness, holy darkness. See the spirit, see the spirit. And I think here I need to put off my shoes. Do you know one thing? Like I have covered 80%. Yeah, I'll put my shoes here. and let's hope it's not get stolen. That's 850. Oh my god, it's feeling really. You can see the spirit of the people here. The spirit is quite high for them. And I am about to submit this. I'm quite close now. Jai Mata Di. Thank you. Okay, that's 915, 917, 919, 21, 24, 25, 29, 36. Few more steps.
चलो चलो चलो
So I have started at 16:59 and right now it is 17:22. So it means I have taken almost about 22 minutes to reach at this height, and I'm yet behind by 70. Oh sorry, I mean about 60 steps behind. For now, just bless this amazing view. See how tall is the nature. Everything is pointless at this height. Everything seems very tiny. All are breaking the rule. नीचे जाने का मार्ग वहाँ से दिखा रहा है, बट मेरे को इसी पॉइंट से आना पड़ेगा वापस, बिकॉज आई पुट ऑफ माई शूज आउट देयर. Now there is no sort of I think we are at the highest point, and yeah, this is the highest point. Yeah. Excuse me. I am in the front, and I am here. Time to compare the beauty. So let's go down and down and down. जरा एक तरफ आइएगा, एक तरफ आइए. So you can see this crowd, and right now I'm going down. I will wait, take some photos and embarrass this site for what I have came here. So it's feeling like I'm going down, falling from the skies. My legs are feeling very light. You know, there is one shortcut. Go down, just jump out from there. See, there's no one there. It's almost empty. I can go fast. So exact time what I have taken to go there is about 22 minutes and few seconds, I will say. And see how quickly I'm going down. You know why I'm going very fast? Because there is my shoes. So yeah, I have reached. ये कितना जल्दी आ गया भाई. So this is the exchange point. You can take some good shoes out of there. Okay, finally I have taken the rest to put on my shoes. These comfortable shoes, though it has been torn, it's really comfortable. And yeah, I am ready to go down now. So नीचे किधर से जाना था? I just forgot. Okay, so this is the path I think to go down. So I think this is for the cable car, I guess. So I will come here, but let me enjoy this beautiful scenery first. But yeah, I need to check the time as well, like how much time is left. Okay, so for the photos I will go like where? Oh my god, like I have to go almost down out there. Enjoy this beautiful scenery. Okay, no worries at all. It's completely okay. So there's the railway station. The train is at 7 p.m. I need to check right now where the train is. Like while coming down, it's very easy, but though I will take the what we say. I just forgot what we call it. So yeah, this is the place for which I am here. Okay, can you see, like there is one cross? Like if you can see right out there is one cross. Okay, cable car, got it. So I will take the cable car for going down. Just let me give a quick check, like when my train is and where it is right now. One thing, like see this is a holy place. People come to worship here. See how much big devotees are there. These are the things like I just hate about religious or spiritual things. Like they say they are very religious, they are coming here to bow themselves toward the goddess, and they do a lot of shit out here. You can see. What we can say. At least I should not do it. See, I will take that. Just there is one thing, like if I had come earlier, then the photos would have been good. But no worries at all. See that's looking like a tiger hill. I think that's video. Go up right there, take the ticket. And do you know what? One thing, like my battery is just 9% charge. And one more thing, like I just made few friends. I will not say friend, like I don't know them before. So they had come here from Maharashtra just to visit this place. So this place is quite popular in Maharashtra as well. Ticket for the ropeway, and I will depart now from this place. So there is one canteen where I will take one bottle of water. I would say coffee is better. So let's see, but yeah, coffee contains sugar. But yeah, I need sugar this time. कचड़ा 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 कचड़ा। We the people of India. So my battery is just 5% charged. I am charged right now. I am taking, and I cannot explore much because I have to take some sort of that cable car. And yeah, then I will go. Train is at 7. I need to check it once more. Bye for now. Look, this wheel is turning out the rope. Just think how much torque it is generating to turn out this wheel. And it's going almost out there. See how much beautiful it is. चौंतीस। धन्यवाद। So again we have to halt here. I think they will depart and we will on board. Let's see. There I have to. I guess on the next one I will. So there we have to go. A lot of people are there. I don't know how many people will go there.
बस
ठीक ठीक। So we will be in the next one. So we have onboarded. मेरे को विंडो से let's go.
एक जन भेज तो नहीं था।
Let's go. Okay, it's getting faster. Okay. Oh my gosh. See that?
देखो
क्या नजारा है।
And it's literally very much peace out there.
मुझे पूरा भारत का नक्शा देखना।
हाँ भाई।
भारत का नक्शा ही दिख रहा है।
उधर देखो बाबू, उधर देखो, उधर पूरा वर्ल्ड का नक्शा दिखेगा।
झांक मत भाई वैसे।
हाँ।
गिरी गिरी टाइप का।
See, that's looking like Diwali lights.
पापा जो भारत का ये है ना, इधर से एक जाता है,
हाँ।
इधर का
अंकल थोड़ा अपना फोन ऐसे टर्न कीजिएगा।
इधर का
अंकल
ये है।
थोड़ा ऐसे फोन टिल्ट कीजिएगा। And कितना फीट होगा लगभग
क्या चीज?
ये ऊंचाई?
अब क्या मालूम से ये
बैठ जाइए बैठ जाइए।
नहीं कुछ नहीं होगा।
1000-1500 फीट तो होगा ही।
बैठेंगे उठेंगे, अब वेट तो उतना ही है।
नहीं नहीं बैलेंस के लिए बोल रहे हैं।
नहीं ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, जब तक स्थिर रहेंगे तब तक। ओके टर्बुलेंट।
जॉइंट है ना वहाँ पर थोड़ा।
बाय गाइस।
रुक गया क्या?
नहीं रुकेगा नहीं।
पता नहीं चला, धीरे धीरे उतर रही है।
सो अगर ये दिन रहता तो ये दिख पाता, बट नो वरीज, रात में खूबसूरत है। नीचे जाते जाते बैटरी लो।
रेलवे स्टेशन कहाँ पर है?
इस साइड
इस साइड।
वो रहा रेलवे स्टेशन।
तो देख ट्रेन दिख रही है।
बस आ ही गए।
दिख रही है ना?
हाँ
एकदम दिख रहा है।
आप लोग कहाँ जाने वाले हैं?
हम लोग भिलाई थे।
भिलाई। हम भी वहीं जाने वाले हैं। हम भी वहीं जाने वाले हैं। तो अभी ये जो गोंडिया दुर्ग ट्रेन आई थी।
कार से आए।
अच्छा कार से आप लोग
अपनी
गए।
गाड़ी से।
ठीक ठीक है।
पापा वहाँ जाना है ना
हाँ
लड्डू का घर।
हाँ जाएंगे ना।
एंड आ गए अब हम लोग। आई गेस 300 फीट ऊपर है। 300 या 300 to 400 फीट ऊपर अभी। एंड अपने औकात पे हम लोग आते हुए।
ले भी जा रहे हैं अभी सवारी।
एक बार एक ट्रेन गिरा था पिछली बार।
क्या
डरना
क्या
और
ये गिरा था?
हाँ
वाह।
हो गया था दुर्घटनाग्रस्त, इसलिए ना मैं इसको बंद कर दिया।
अच्छा ये बंद भी था?
हाँ बंद था कुछ दिनों तक।
अब तो पेपर में आया था ना।
पेपर में आया था।
तो कितने लोग जितने लोग थे सारे मतलब आने जाने दोनों वाले गिर गए थे?
अब पता नहीं लेकिन एक ये गिरा
दुर्घटना हुई थी।
चलिए अब हम लोग गिरेंगे भी तो इसमें गिरेंगे, मरेंगे नहीं। हम लोग गिरेंगे तो तालाब में गिरेंगे, डूब के मरेंगे।
मेंटेनेंस नहीं करते ना।
हाँ हाँ रस्सी
क्या
घिसने
है,
पे।
दिन भर चल रहा है आना जाना।
और रस्सी चेंज भी नहीं होता होगा जल्दी से। हाँ तभी होगा बहुत महंगा। चलो हम लोग औकात पे आ चुके हैं अपन
वहाँ भी गए
ऑन द
थे,
ग्राउंड लेवल।
विशाखापट्टनम विशाखापट्टनम भी गए थे ना।
बहुत ऊपर गए।
टर्बुलेंट टर्बुलेंट टर्बुलेंट। और अब यहाँ से क्रैश हो जाए जो हो जाए कोई मतलब नहीं। अब अपन बस जय माता दी।
चलो ये 6 बजे से चालू हो जाता है सवेरे।
जब रात कार में चलते हैं तो ऐसा लगता है भूत आ गया। भूत हवा में उड़ रहा हूँ, है ना?
ये किधर देना है कहीं पे? तो ये देना कहीं पे नहीं है। दिस इज मेमोरी एंड ये सब मेरा फोन ऑफ होने वाला है ऑलमोस्ट। एंड लिटरली गाइस मेरा फर्स्ट एक्सपीरियंस था इन द केबल कार। बीच में मज़ा आता है यार, अगर ऐसे स्विंग करता है तब तो एकदम गांठ बढ़ के हाथ में आ जा रही भाई। Yeah, I have enjoyed quite a lot. Done. मज़ा आ गया. After last time I had done mountain when I was in class 6. That was at Nunthar. So it's almost 6 plus 1 7, and this 3 year. Almost after 10 years, I have been to the mountains. I would not say mountains again, they are just hills. So yeah, last time I had been to the Nunthar and it was in class 6, and after almost 10 years I was again on the hills and it was amazing to be out there. So yeah, that's how. Let's catch the train. The train is at 7 p.m. and yet it's not showing any sort of update. So there is one catch, like I have to take my train from Dongargarh to Durg. So again from Durg I need to go to either Bhilai Powerhouse or I have to take one auto to Supela, or I would say to Avantibai Chowk. So that's not my final destination. So I need to be quite quick here. And the train what I had taken to come here was like express, Jabalpur Express. But while going that would be just a local passenger local passenger train, so it would take quite more time than the previous train. So yeah, few good things, like 2 दिन से मेरा एक्सरसाइज नहीं हुआ था तो वो हो गया. I met someone, yeah, that's always good for a person who is in the business to meet the fellow people of their field. So that guy was from Maharashtra and had completed CSC this year only. So yeah, I met him and with his family as well. So let's go with some amazing memories. Yeah, and third one, that cable car, it was quite good experience I have taken after quite long time. Last this sort of adventure I has done in the Durga Puja where I had taken that 360-degree wheel plus that boat, and there is one more, I would say just half boat. So yeah, my battery is about to die. Bye. So we have arrived. So that's the station. It has been developed quite beautifully. So there is one bad news and one good news. Like, bad news is the train, what I was expecting to arrive at 7. The crunch is there is one another train which is 6 hours late, and it is coming right now. So I have to take that train.
वजन नहीं है जब से कटर कटर बनी है तो आप भी
जनरली भी काम कर रहा है. So somehow I have charged my phone, and I am going to take lift from another person whom I have found in the train. Bato. Thanks.